Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year belated to everyone. And to start this new year, I have a Nykaa haul, a Nykaa makeup haul, and a very tiny, small Nykaa makeup haul. I've actually not purchased a lot of makeup products these days because, wow, I'm proud of myself. Okay, so let's just start with the video. Okay, so if you know me, I am a big fan of Sugar Cosmetics. So the first product I have is the Sugar BB Clay SPF 20 BB Cushion in the shade Latte. So I have already have a Sugar Stick Foundation, Ace of Face, which is, so that's also in the shade Latte, and this is also in a shade Latte. So I know in Sugar range, Latte is the shade that fits me really well. And this is the inner packaging, sleek matte black packaging. I love it. And you got a mirror, a puff, and here is the product. It opens like this. Here is the applicator, and this is the product. The shade is perfect for my skin tone, and the price is 1100, I think. And the coverage is also very good. I will use this one in my upcoming video, so if you want to see, if you want a detailed video on it, subscribe to my channel, you will see it later. The next product I got is the the Sugar highlighter. This is the Contour the Force highlighter palette. Again, I trust Sugar brand. You got 3 shades. One is the rose gold, one is the champagne gold, which I already have, and one is the pure gold. Let me give you a swatch of all the 3. Look like this. This one is the rose gold, this is the champagne gold, and this is the pure gold. All the 3 shades are beautiful, and I've already used this palette in one of my makeup challenge video, which is on my channel right now, which is a blindfold makeup channel. I've used this palette, and I think I've used this palette before also on my makeup tutorial as well. Okay, so the next product is the Makeup Revolution highlighter. I have a lot of highlighters for this haul. So this is a pure silver highlighter. Let me give you a swatch. This is like this. The pigmentation of this highlighter is not very good. I'm actually not satisfied with the pigmentation, but it's not bad though. It's somewhere in mid, but the color I really like, and I want a pure silver highlighter for the longest time, and I've got this, and the size is really decent, like this decent size, so I like it. Only except for the pigmentation was not like boop, but still I like it. It's not bad though, so I really like it. The next product is the Maybelline lipstick. This is a Maybelline Super Stay Matting. I already have 3 shades in this range, Transformer, Protector, and Romantic. There is a 4th shade I got from this range. This is a shade Protector. I have Transformer, Escapist, and Romantic, and now I have Protector. So sorry. So this is the pure brown lipstick. Let me give you a swatch. The darkest brown color lipstick. So I have used this lipstick on my previous makeup tutorial, so you can check it out. And oh shit, it got transferred. Okay, so the next and the last product, no, not the last, the next product is the Kiko Milano mascara in the shade green. This is the inner packaging. So if you got bored of black mascara, you got this. The wand is look like this, and it's beautiful mascara. It will give your lashes length and also volume. The swatch is this, like the green color. It actually color your lashes. So that's it. And very good quality. And if you want to purchase a colored mascara from Kiko Milano, go purchase it right now. Abhi jaake purchase karo, because they will soon gonna discontinue this product. Why my tongue is slipping? So they will soon gonna discontinue this product, they were saying. So if you want to purchase, just purchase it really soon. So okay, the last two products are lip liners from Maybelline again. This is two shades I've got. What the shade name? I don't know. This is a pink one, then this is a nude one. I'm not actually happy with the nude one lip liner. This is a lip liner and it's too nude for me. I use a lot of nude lipsticks. I want a nude lip liner. But oh, where is it? This is the tube. You can't see. The color is too nude for me. This is the color. You can't really see because it's too nude, like too nude. So this liner washes off my skin tone. So if you have a fair skin tone from me, like if you are fairer than me, so you can consider this one. I think it doesn't suit on Indian skin tone. It will suit on the people with have extremely fair skin. So I'm not happy with the color. Though the product was nice, and the other color I got is this pink color. This is the swatch. My hand is full, yeah. This is the pink color, this one. So yeah, I like it. And the liner is so creamy, and it's not very long lasting, but still, I mean, a decent liner, lip liner. So yep, that's it. That's the end of the Nykaa makeup haul. Okay, so that's it for the makeup tutorial. I hope you like and enjoy, and if you like this makeup tutorial, the video is on my Instagram and uska handle hai screen pe. So yep, that's it. And all of the link of these products will be in the description with the prices, so don't forget to check it out. And I shall see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care. Also, the review of these products I will use and review it on to my next upcoming makeup tutorials and my videos. So stay tuned and bye.